This is where you'll find the library catalog button, and at the library catalog button you will find the physical items in the library, in the Stewart Library. For example, books, DVDs, CDs, magazines. It does not have articles or electronic resources on that button. And then next is the article database button, and to find a particular subject you would click on it, and we're trying to find education, so click on E, and then we would go over to this subject line and go down to education as our subject, and then click on education full text because it said it would be a best bet source. So we go to that, then we would type in technology and education and search, and it brings up 39,920 sources for that search. Then next, after that, we would go to the OneSearch, and at OneSearch it provides information on all of the Stewart Library's collection. For example, physical books, online collections, documents, articles, journals. So all of its sources. And then next we go to help. In here you can find a way to ask the librarian for help through text, email, or a phone call. And then you can also reach a peer research consultant, the reference desk, or a subject librarian.